So how to transfer money from Tide Business Banking to another bank account. Sending money through Tide is very simple. So to do it, you'll firstly just want to open up the Tide Business app, and then you'll just want to click on the send option right here. And then once you've done that, you just want to select make a payment. And then from there, if you need to set up a new payee, you can go ahead and select pay someone new at the bottom. And then from there, just clarify if it's a business or a person you're paying. So for the example of this video, we're going to say we're paying a person. And then once you've done that, it will pull you through to this page here. And you simply just want to enter the account details of where you want to transfer money to. Then once you've done that, click next. And then you'll just need to clarify what best describes your recipient. So for the example of this video, I'm actually paying myself. So I'm going to say company director. And then select add recipient. And if you've done everything correctly, Tide should let you know if the business details match. And as you can see in this case, they do. So you can go ahead and proceed. And that is your recipient approved. So now you're free to go and transfer them money. So you'll now find your recipient in your contact list, and you can go ahead and select them. And then once you've done that, you'll then just need to select how much money you want to send them and fill in a reference for it. So for the example of this video, we're going to transfer £10 and with a reference called YouTube. Then again, just clarify what this payment is for. And then if it's your first time paying them, you'll get this message here. But as long as the details match, you should be good to go. But of course, always double check before sending. And then once you've done that, you'll then have the opportunity to review your payment before you send. Obviously, keep in mind, if you are on a Tide free plan, there will be a 20p charge on top of whatever you send. And if you're happy with everything, select confirm payment. And then you'll get this message here to confirm that your payment was successfully sent. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.